First time upgrading your RAM into your PC? You'll be happy to hear the PC card removal and installation process is super easy, and in this video, that is the first thing I go over. Upgrading your RAM is one way to make your computer feel far more snappy. And here's how to do it. Well, the first time is shut down your computer and unplug all of the cable connected to it. Then remove the side of the computer case so you can access the motherboard. Well, it's time to put in the new RAM kit. Placing RAM in the incorrect slot could result in some performance degradation. Now that you've seated the RAM in the slot, toggle the plastic retention lever to lock your new memory module. Well, finally, close up your computer case. Plug everything back in and turn on your computer. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new upgrade.